In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Canon TS6420a or TS5320a or many other models that are looking just like this one. So it's very easy. First thing, we need to go over here where the display is. Then you need to press the OK button once. You enter in this menu. You need to go down using the down arrow until you see device settings. Then you press OK again. Then you'll press the down arrow again until you select reset settings. From here you're going to press OK, and here we have multiple options. If you want to reset absolutely everything with your printer, let's say you want to resell it, or let's say you're having some really nasty problems and you want to get rid of them, then choose reset all, which is the last option. Select this, press OK, then press arrow up to select yes and press OK. Then you just have to wait. You'll have this screen processing, wait momentarily. So this is what we'll do. We'll just wait, and then we'll get this message. The settings have been reset. Press OK, and you are done. Now you can go back in the main menu, just press back, and you're in the main menu, and you can start setting up your printer again, since it's brand new right now. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like. Comment down below if you have other tricks on how to reset it. Maybe I missed something. If not, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.